Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first.
My name is Yara.
My name is Samantha. My name is Yana.
My name is Atena.
My name is Yashni.
My name is Arjun.
My name is Jada. And we are going multiplication oral.
6-3.
80.
7-4. 3-4.
7-8. 56. 49. 9-8.
72.
7-7.
49.
6-6.
36. 8-6. 9-7.
63.
3-6.
18. 9-9. 51. 7-6. 32. 8-8. 64. 9-5. 35. 3-4. 6-3. 18. 8-8.
64.
9-9.
51.
7-7.
49.
Bye-bye! Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-studies.
I am Yana. I'm Jimmy.
I'm Baby Jean. I'm Kim.
I'm Jaylee. I'm Yimei. I'm Janie Nia.
And we are going to
study and making assignments.
Sige, unsa man?
P.
Sige.
Ako na Pilipino kayo. Ako
Okay. 5 types of
health-related
health-related
cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition. Very good.
Dayon, sino to kabuok ang body?
Skill-related fitness, agility, balance, coordination, power, reaction time. Reaction time, and speed.
Katong Pilipino na lang.
Sige, Pilipino. Kamu na palang pataran. Balik ko na ko ha.
Type of
Dili.
What is the 7 types of consonants?
Ay, arranged from
first
dili from
1 to 1.
from
Biggest to lowest.
biggest to lowest consonant. Sige. Bante niya kalimutan gusto nila kanina kasi
Asia, Africa, North America,
good.
South America, North America, Europe.
Ako.
No, Europe. Sakto. Dili.
Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia.
Sige. Ato akong gigil ganina. 11 continents. Usa lang sa akong gigil. Wagit gigil.
Brunei.
Sige. Kanang
Katulisan kayo one na.
Bijin ano yung pagdalikod ni?
Laos.
Pag-study.
Laos.
Philippines.
Philippines, very good.
Philippines.
Very good. Sige, Philippines. Tulo. America.
Singapore.
Very good. Sige.
Malaysia.
Very good. Sige.
Canada.
Very good. So, sige pa dahil unong na.
Kuan. Kanang Malaysia. Canada.
Umpong ay hong.
Ayaw kuan kanang.
Myanmar.
Very good.
Katong kuan makatong. Gadto sa tita ng engine. Kanang Myanmar.
China.
Oy, choy.
Japan. Korea. South sa Asia na eh. Kaya lakop sa Asia ba? Kuan. Philippines. Hawaii.
Okay na na yun to. Baka na
US.
Putol-putol.
Canada in America. Sige, tuloy ko sa tingin.
Hindi ako balik ko na. Brunei.
Oh?
Brunei. Brunei. Timor. Laos. Singapore. Thailand. Canada. Myanmar.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the Self-Studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first. I'm Shane. I'm Shane May.
I'm Joke.
I'm Shaira. I'm Angel. And we are going to Math Oral. 2, 8, 16, 66, 36, 33, 9, 77, 39, 93, 97, 84, 34, 87, 56, 99, 81, 22, 4, Kaoy, kanang 77, 49, 76, 40. Ano, ang teachers ko. Nawitan mo. Utan 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 3, 6, 4, 9, 8,
Dito.
7, 6,
42.
8, 4,
32.
9, 9, 3,
37.
4, 8,
32.
7,
Kan, first, kilasa na to kay tendency, then sunod kay kan.
6,
36.
8, 9, 7,
36. 6, 3.
18,
4, 8.
32,
9, 6.
54,
7, 8.
56,
8, 9.
72,
6, 5.
30,
6, 3.
18,
8, 2.
oh, nag-6 siya
4, 3.
Laanin ko da.
9, 7.
63,
8, 6.
48,
8,
64,
3, 5.
15,
4, 5.
20, 97, 63, 34, 12, yeah, 48, 8, 32, oh, sa Happy 96, 54, 73, 51, 88, 64, 46, 24, 97, 53, 77, 49, 67, tas hayagan pagid, 38, 24, 99, 51, 34, ano? 98, 72, 99, 81, 73, 21, 66, 36, 64, 24, 98, 72, 67, 42, 88, 64, 77, 81, 49, 77, 49, kanang 34, 12, 99, 81, 73, 21, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, we are self-study group from Marbach area.
안녕하세요. 저는 여츠itsal Chonghakyo Ihangyon Asia Enudap.
안녕하세요. 저는 유도살 초등학교 3학년 열가입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 10살 초등학교 5학년 에리카입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 10살 초등학교 5학년 골드랍입니다.
And
We are self-study groups.
a Eureka debate.
the jackal, and the empty drum. Hungry jackal wandered by a big drum lying under a tree. When the wind blew a slowly beach branch struck the drum, producing trumpet.
Siko na. Ari ka dali pulo ka niya.
The jackal and the empty drum. Hungry jackal wandered by a big drum lying under a tree. When the wind blew a slowly branch struck the drum, producing trumpet.
Sige, ikaw na balik.
O ba naman mabasa? The jackal and the empty drum. Hungry jackal wandered by a big drum lying under a tree. When the wind blew a lonely branch struck the drum, producing drum bell.
Kaya sa tanin, tuwasan tanin yung mahal.
Pagkito. And we are self-study groups.